Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use COUNTIF function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use COUNTIF function, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have prepared two table item and this is the score. Now I want to use COUNTIF table and want to know how many apples are there. Okay, so how to use COUNTIF function? You have to just equals to type COUNTIF then range, so this will be the range. Now comma, now here criteria, so I want to find out apple or count apple. Now, so here you will see 3 apples are there. Now here scenario is different. Okay, I want to find out how many numbers are there above 70, so equals to count if range comma criteria inverted comma more than 70. So here you will see 80, 72 and 90 is more than 70. So like this you can use COUNTIF function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.